Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today I am so excited because we have a special collaboration and it's called the Cozy Corner or Vignette collaboration. It's an open invite and it is the Valentine's Day edition, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now the co-host of this collab is Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, DIY with Aria, J Mom Creations, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, with this cozy corner or vignette, if we have an area in our house that we just want to make cozy and warm and it just needs a little bit of decorating, guys, that's what this collab is about. And if you don't want to decorate a cozy corner, you can always use a vignette, because a vignette you can move from one place to another. And I absolutely love this collaboration and I hope that you join in with me to launch this off. Now guys, I have to admit this is my first time doing like a little cozy corner on my counter, trying to make this like a little coffee station, and I think I'm really enjoying this, guys, and I can think of things already that I would change for the next time around that we do this. Now, I don't know about you guys, but those jars for Valentine's Day that came out are absolutely adorable. And I can see myself using them for Mother's Day or any other occasion. I love that color pink. And you can place pretty much anything or any kind of condiments that you want to serve. If you're doing this with coffee or a hot cocoa station, these are adorable. Now remember that every time you click that like button and full watch a video, this helps us to grow. And comment below because we would love to hear from you. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I put this together, guys, because this is my first time doing this and I need to pay attention. So I'll see you at the end. Now what you see me putting here is I did the marshmallows in one of those jars, and then those chocolate spoons that they had them out for Christmas, so I saved some and I kept them in the refrigerator just for this occasion like this. And aren't they adorable? You can place that in the coffee cup just to melt that chocolate in there. And I forgot the peppermints or where I placed them, guys. I bought them, I couldn't find them last minute, so I just went ahead and used my organic stevia, which fit in perfectly anyway. Guys, you see that coffee cup? It looks like a cupcake. I am absolutely loving that. Well, that was a thrifted item, and I thought, let me go ahead and see if I can drink some coffee out of it. Guys, you cannot drink coffee out of this thing, but you can decorate it with flowers for Valentine's Day. It is so adorable. Okay, I am lighting the candles and we're going to go straight to the reveal. I think I did a pretty good job, guys. What do you think? Comment below. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I also want to thank all of the hosts that joined in with me to launch off this collab. I just think you guys are so beautiful and so supportive, and I just thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Guys, you have an amazing day.